the Chappie's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappie, this is Mookie, and this is Mookie's little buddy Artemis. We got a great episode today. We're going to get some takeout and take it back to my tiki bar, and then we got Appies with Chappie by the lake. Today for Appies with Chappie by the lake, I'm going to make tacos el pastor. This comes to Mexico from the Lebanese immigrants that brought pork. Now my tacos el pastor, the pork's going to have a pink hue to it because I marinated it in pineapple and chipotle paste. We're going to make a drink to go with my tacos el pastor, so I'm going to do a Blue Hawaiian. Now, a Blue Hawaii I've done before. That's basically vodka, blue curacao, and pineapple. The difference between a Blue Hawaii and a Blue Hawaiian is the addition of coconut cream. We got a little ice in my cocktail shaker. We got 1 ounce of blue curacao, 2 ounces of vodka, and 5 ounces of pineapple juice, and a coconut cream. And again, that's what's going to differentiate it from a Blue Hawaii to a Blue Hawaiian. We'll give that a shaky. And then I got a nice big fresh pineapple wedge as a garnish. And that's my Blue Hawaiian. It's going to go with my tacos el pastor. So we're going to go to Appies with Chappie by the lake. We're going to have a little snack and roll. Get blown away. Whoa! That roll the Appies for Appies with Chappie by the lake, and stay tuned, coming right up. Thanks for watching another episode of Chappie's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappie. That's Mookie. And this is Mookie's buddy Artemis. What's that, Artemis? Artemis says, life is hard. That's just the way it goes, but sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappie's Tiki Bar.